Just heard that we're taking a slide out here in the service department, so we're going to go out and see if we can get some footage of this, so stay tuned. I blew it. Mario on the forklift. I was supposed to bring my sawhorses from home and I blew it. Oh boy. We are very lucky that we have a group of talented and crazy technicians. We got our facility tech out here, Jacob. We got Ricky. I don't know if he's looking important or actually being important, but he's important either way. We got Mario with tender hands on the forklift. I think Paul's off today. He's missing it all. We got senior guiding this whole thing. And we got Jen over there biting her fingernails because she's the one that took the job on. Oh, and she's running now, so she doesn't want to see the rest of it. Jacob said he's just going to grab this thing if it gets away from people. But this is how you remove a complete slide out to replace a spongy floor. Mario's got very tender hands. Look at this guy, man. Just calm, cool, and collected. Senor running the show here. Call him the wizard. Look at that beard. That's why. Left his hat at home. Gets in the way. Mario's parking his buggy. Senior calling the shots, man. Jacob already groped the exhaust on the pressure washer, so hopefully he doesn't get hurt doing this, but he promises me he'll throw himself under it if it starts to get away.
Slowly and slowly and slowly.
These guys must work out. Jen's over there still looking a little nervous. She's not leaving until this baby's all the way on the sawhorses. We are going flat so that senior can replace the entire floor due to a leak in this client's trailer. This is what 35 years of experience will get you. It'll get you a guy in an orange and gray shirt calling the shots. And all this young talent that gets to learn from him.
Sick. Good job.
Thanks.
Way over exaggerated the weight.